How to back up saves on PS5. First of all, starting on the PlayStation 5 home screen, all you want to do is press up on the D-pad or the left stick to get to the game's media section. Go all the way to the right until you see settings, click X on settings, then you want to scroll down until you see the section here where it says save data and game/app settings. Then in the save data PS5 settings you want to upload or delete from console, so you can upload what you want there. Also, you can get it from the PlayStation 4, the one down below, but here's what it looks like for the console storage. You can go ahead and select all, or specifically for one game. Let's say if you've done a save on one game, you can go ahead and delete or save that from there and upload that to storage. But remember, it is a PS Plus thing, so you need to have PS Plus to be able to do it. You also download or delete like this, but again it's PS Plus, but you can do it in there if you do have it, and you can sync save data in this section as well, and do all the same for PS4. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.